Hey everybody, I hope you're having a great morning. Happy April 1st. Before we get started, why don't you all just go ahead and smash that like button below, maybe hit subscribe. I figured I could take this opportunity to become YouTube famous, so we can all work on that together. I hope everything went okay yesterday. We saw a lot of people doing it, which was awesome. Thank you again for those who stopped by the office hours. That's been fun the past few days, so I can encourage all of you guys to do that at some point if you're bored. We're all bored too, so just coming on for a while. You don't have to have your camera on or anything, just come and chat. It's been a pretty fun experience lately, or so far. Today the assignment is pretty simple. We're starting our role play on the Mexican-American War, so I've already given you guys your roles. You can't see each other's roles yet. We'll get to that when we actually do it. So the first thing you're going to do in your daily checklist, obviously watch the video, go to today's folder. So in the daily checklist, just click on the link that says folder. That'll open it up right to our folder for you. So you guys will only be able to see the one that you're assigned, but as you can see here, each role has been given to about 4 or 5 people in each class. So you'll open that up. It'll look something like this. Your role at first, your job today at first is just read about the background information. The question we're asking is, should Mexico sell their northern territories to the U.S.? So we talked a lot about manifest destiny and expansion in Minnesota studies. Obviously, that was a huge part of the first 2 trimesters. So we know a lot about how expansion and manifest destiny and what that meant for the indigenous people already living in the United States, or what would become the United States. So we're going to kind of look at now what it meant for the people that were indigenous to Mexico and how they were impacted, because as you can see right here, a huge chunk of the United States, of what is today the United States, belonged to Mexico. Just 100% was their rightful homeland. So we're going to look at what happened. To introduce that, we're going to do the role play. So you should all have a role. You'll find that here. Read the background information about this. Read about your role. And then you're going to do the perspective writing. That's all you have to do. So that's your role. You're going to write 2 journal entries as if it is 1845 and you're the person from your role. So each journal should include facts about your life based on the readings. Pick 2 sentence starters from below to start your journal and get writing. So for journal 1, pick one of these sentence starters. Dear journal, today was one of the hardest days I've ever had. Explain why. Journal 2, pick a different sentence starter. The same sentence starter, doesn't matter. Just, we want to get you guys thinking from this perspective to work on that. So just pick 2 different roles. 2 different sentence starters and start your journals. And that's all you got to do today. It should be a pretty simple day. If you do have any questions, feel free to email me, Schoology, message me, and stop by my office hours. Awesome. Well, good luck, everybody. Happy April Fool's Day as well. Don't do anything mean. Also, it's Wednesday, so that's cool. If it was in class, it'd be like a fun little frog somewhere. Otherwise, have a good day, and I will talk to you all tomorrow.